and everything. We had a light show with it. Smoke, the whole thing. Makes shit look cooler, doesn't it? Who's this guy? Who is this guy?
Denny's.
I think we found this guy in the street with a guitar and we just decided to let him play. Wasn't it something like that? Was that your story or something?
I think that's something.
Some weird story like that he's got.
So close to saying about See, if I don't know if you can place it somewhere. I had it on a little thing.
I don't know where I can put it. Right, we got it the right way now. He'll be filming my balls if I put it there.
Put it in this so I can sit it forward. I don't know how this is going to sound, but we'll give it a go.
You're gonna vibrate when you kick.
Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, introducing Matt the Fixer Tiley. Here you go. Come on.
It's warm under the lights. Thanks, Matt. Thanks for that. Nice one. Okay, so I think we're gonna go. Go down and say hello to some people. That's the next plan. Oh my God, it's hot up here. It's gonna be hot tonight. It's gonna be hot tonight. Thanks, Mark. Nice awesome. Thank you. Very cool. Thanks for your help. That's all right.
New man.
New man. I'll be a new man. Thank you very much. My God, it's hot. Thanks, Vinny. No problem. Colton, how are you?
Good, how are you, dude?
Yeah? You feeling good today?
Yeah, I'm good. How
are you ready?
How was
really
that?
good.
How was all that stuff?
That felt really nice. Really nice.
How was the B stage?
B stage, yeah.
Sounded
It was a little bit of echo going on there, but I think we're going to be good.
Good.
Are you looking forward to tonight?
Yeah, dude, I'm stoked.
This is
Never
how
been
far?
to New Zealand.
How many miles away is this from where you are from?
I don't know. I know in hours. I think it's like 15 hours, right?
Yeah, man. It's a long way away.
Yeah, dude.
But it's all good. It's going to be good tonight.
Yeah.
And after tonight, it's going to be awesome. We're going to go crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy Gary.
Crazy Gary. Crazy. And Rodney's playing the jazz chords. He's playing those jazz chords. Okay, so let's go out and say hello to some people. Sean, how are you? You all right? What's going on? I think I'm going to periscope this for a change because I never come out. I'm going to say hello to everybody. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, right, Johnny.
These are the lovelies here.
I'm going to periscope saying hello to everybody. Hello. Thanks for being here today. How are you doing?
Good.
Are you as well? Hello.
Hi.
Thanks for being here.
Your Periscope.
Have you?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah,
now you're on
awesome.
it. You're right here.
Yeah.
You're going to be on Periscope for replay.
Hello.
Yes, I'm going to save this one. Awesomely so. Hello. Thanks for being here today.
Hi.
You guys are awesome. How you doing? I remember you from yesterday. Yes. They were all at the TV show with us yesterday. It was cool. How you doing? How you doing? Thanks for being here. How are you? Hello again. Hello again. Hello. How are you? How you doing? How's it going? How are you? How you doing? Hello, hello. How are you?
Hello.
That's really cool.
Oh, thank you.
That's pretty awesome. Hello.
Hi.
Nice to see you. How's it going? How are you?
It's good to see you, Guy.
Good to see you. It's like girls. Guy, hello, Guy. How are you doing? Nice to see you. How's it going?
Good.
Hello. How are you? I love your green outfit.
Thank you.
Did you say twin?
Yeah.
Twins.
And I do 5A, not 5B.
5A. How come?
They're a bit lighter.
And just what are we talking about right now?
I'm learning drums and I'm going for a pad to the kit at the moment.
Wicked.
So sticks.
We're talking about drumsticks in case you didn't know, because everyone's like 5A. What are they talking about?
Yeah.
Mine is 5A Extreme.
We're talking about power.
Yeah, just a little.